children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Billimora would like to explain you the topic give and take of maths subject. In maths textbook page number 36. Now I am continuing next exercise. So children, look at here. Let me tell you a story. Okay. Now we have to read this story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. A baby lion lost his way in the jungle. स्मॉल बेबी लायन जो था, छोटा बच्चा लायन का, वो रास्ते में जंगल का रास्ता जो था वो भूल गया था. He started crying and called out for his mother. उसने रोने का स्टार्ट किया और अपनी मम्मी को बुला रहा था. And old deer took pity on him. Old deer took pity on him. बूढ़ा जो डियर था उसको उसके ऊपर दया आई, वो उसे अपने साथ ले गया. When they came, he took him to his place. और वो जहाँ पे रहता था डियर, वहाँ पे वो लेके गया उसे. But the other deer got really scared. But वो जो बूढ़ा डियर उसको लेके गया अपने घर, तो दूसरे जो डियर थे वो भयभीत हो गए, डर गए कि अब क्या होएगा. Did their other friends rabbit, squirrel and birds. उसके जो दूसरे फ्रेंड थे rabbit, squirrels and birds. A lion among us. क्या कहने लगे? लायन हमारे साथ है. ओह नो, हमारे साथ कौन है? लायन हमारे साथ है. He will eat up our babies. वो क्या करेगा? हमारे बच्चे को खा जाएगा. He will eat up our babies. The old deer said, "Don't worry, I will warn him about this." The old deer था, बूढ़ा जो डियर था, वो क्या कहने लगा? आप मत चिंता करो, मैंने उसे वार्न किया है. In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. सुबह में बेबी लायन का जो बच्चा था उसने थैंक्स बोला सबका और वो जाने के लिए निकला. स्टार्टेड टू लीव, वहाँ से जाने के लिए निकला. बट रेबिट सेड वेट. रेबिट ने क्या कहा? वेट. ही कैन नॉट गो लाइक दिस. आप यहाँ से नहीं जा सकते. लेट अस काउंट टू सी ही हैज़ डन एनी मिसचीफ. वॉट? लेट अस काउंट टू सी. हम काउंट कर ले सबको कि यहाँ पे कुछ गलत तो नहीं हुआ है. We should be 240 in all. हम सब एनिमल कितने हैं? 240 है. Now let us count. Now they started count. Tillu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 and 48. Okay. Tillu counted rabbit and deer. So how many? There rabbits is 27 and deer is 48. The old deer counted birds and squirrels. There were 124 and 38. 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Now we have to see this. Tillu counted rabbit and deer. That were 27 and 48. So how much total? 27 and 48. So here is given 48 plus 27. 8 plus 7. Okay. Now 8 plus 7 means how much? So we have to see here. First we have to take ones place. 8 and 7 is the ones place. So first we have to count 7 finger. Counted after 8. We have to take 7 finger and counted after 8. Now again I am say 14 plus 27. That 8 and 7 is the ones place. We have to take 7 finger and counted after 8. So 8 after we have to counted 7 finger. Okay. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We have to take 7 finger and counted after 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 that in 15 5 is the ones place, in tens is the right in carry on here. Tens place we have to write this carry 1. Okay. 5 we have to write this ones place, and this 1 we have to write in here carry tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, this 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we have to take 2 finger and count after 5. 5 then 2 finger means 6 and 7. So 75. Now total number of, so the total number of deer and rabbits is equal to 75. Total number of deer and rabbit is equal to 75. Now we have to add the birds and squirrels. Now birds, how many birds? Birds is the 124 and squirrel is 38. So 124 plus 38. How much this totals? Okay, 4 plus 8. First we have to take 1's place. 4 plus 8. We have to take 8 finger and count after 4. We have to take 8 finger. Okay, and count after 4. 4 then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this 12, 2 is we have to write in 1's place down, and 1 is our carry. 1 is our carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So 3 then we have to count 3 finger, 4, 5, 6. We have to take 3 finger and count after 3. So 4, 5, 6. So write in here 6. And 1 same as it is in right here. Okay. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 that 2 is the 1's place. So we have to write in down. And this 1's place we have to write in here down. And this one 10's place, this one is write in here carry. Next place we have to write in carry. 10's place we have to write in carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 1 same it is right in here 162. So together bird and squirrel were 162 and deer and rabbits were 75. Okay. Now all deer said we were 240 in number. Now how many we in all? Now we have to count number of bird and rabbits. Number of bird and squirrels. Number of bird and squirrel. Number of bird and squirrel is 162. So we have to write 162. Now next, number of deer and rabbits. Deer and rabbit is 75. So we have to write in here 75. Now this total 2 plus 5. So we have to take 5 finger and count after 2. We have to take this 5 finger and count after 2. 2 then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write in here 7. Now 6 plus 7. So we have to take 7 finger and count after 6. We have to take 7 finger and count after 6. 6 then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 12 and 13. Okay. So we have to write in here 13. This 3 we write in here and 1 is carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So total is 237. So what say? If the baby lion will go back home? No. Why no? Because the rabbit says wait. We have to first count it how much we have total. Okay. So what happened? Total is 240 and here we have to count it. So number will come 237. Okay, total animal is 240 and here counted, so number will come 237. So has the baby lion eaten up any animal? Yes, 3 animal is less, means baby lion ate 3 animals. So rabbit say you stop, you are not go back home. Okay, thank you children.